Bye. So guys, I got a couple of mice I'm gonna be unboxing today. We've got the Cooler Master MM710, and then we also had the G-Wolves Hati. Two mice that a lot of people have already reviewed, and I'm kind of curious to check them out myself. And the MM710 is gonna be the giveaway mouse for the month of November. So obviously, want to check this one out. Make sure it's good enough to, actually be given away. This one, all the unboxings that I've seen have been really sweet, and it looks like they did a really good job with the packaging, so obviously I would assume that mine would be the same. Looking forward to keeping that collector's tin and really seeing what this mouse actually feels like to use, because I haven't used the G Pro Wireless extensively, and this one shares the same shape as the G Pro Wireless, so I figured instead of buying the old G Pro Wireless that hasn't been updated just yet, might as well try something with a similar shape but also a fairly new product. So that's what we're gonna be doing in today's video, just unboxing these two mice. And then at some point, I'm gonna do a full review on both of these mice and share with you my opinion. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing of both mice. So the one that we're gonna start with is gonna be the MM710 from Cooler Master. Honestly speaking, I'm gonna save this one for the end because I think this one's gonna be a little bit more exciting. So let's go ahead and start with the more boring looking mouse. So this one is 53 grams, 16K sensor, 20 million clicks, ambidextrous of course, really nice white mouse feet, ultra weave cable. From what I hear, the MM710 has one of the nicest cables on the market in terms of mice. They come stock on the mouse, that you're not worried about having to buy a paracord, of which I actually already did for my Model O, so I will be throwing a paracord on that baby and seeing how big of a difference I can tell between the stock Model O cable and the paracord. Because the cable on the Razer Viper is actually really good. That's probably the best thing about that mouse, is the cable 100%. Foam, little manual, and I assume that these are the mouse feet. Yeah, these are just the spare mouse feet that they give you. 3M tape, so not bad, not bad. We'll leave those in there. And then we'll save this for the giveaway, of course. But yeah, the mouse looks pretty good. It looks a little bit taller. Oh yeah, 100% just from the first time picking this up. This is definitely way more comfortable than the Model O minus. I'll say that right off the bat here if you want to take a look at that. Will the camera go ahead and focus? There we go. Yeah, this thing is a ton more comfortable than the Model O minus. This is really cool. I actually really like this shape too. It's a little bit different in the back. You can tell that the hump is a lot taller than the Model O minus. So here is just like a little bit of a size comparison with the Model O minus. I'll take some close-up shots so you guys can kind of see the real big difference in the hump. But the Model O, it kind of feels like right here in this area, it doesn't really fill out your palm as well as the MM710 does. This, I will say 100%, is a lot more comfortable than using the Model O. So I think I'm gonna really like using this mouse because the Model O minus is one of my favorite mice of the year as far as the small form factor goes, but I think this just might take the cake, especially because if you look at this cable is really, really nicely built. You can barely tell it's there. The Model O minus, honestly speaking, is it's really loose, but like it's not necessarily the best paracord. Like it kind of pushes the mouse when you pull the cable. Now this one, on the other hand, when you push the cable in toward the mouse doesn't move. That's one easy way to tell like if your paracord is really good or not. Like you see how this one just flies around just by pushing the cable. You would think that as a case company you wouldn't really be excited to use a mouse from them, but I definitely am. And let's go ahead and peel the plastic off this G-Wolves Hati. This one is next. I don't know what the proper way to say it, because like most reviews that I've seen, they called it the Hati, even though it's spelled exactly like Haiti the country, so I don't really know what's the correct way to do it. Let's see, is there any tape on this? Doesn't appear to be any tape on this box, so we should be all good with the knife for now. This is almost like unboxing an Apple product. Can't really pull it. Okay. Ooh. The tin. Excellent, excellent. This one is really cool. Heck yeah. Set this box over there. Ooh. That looks freaking cool. Turn off my light so you guys can see it a little bit better, but now it just kind of looks like the RGB is just reflecting off of it. Yeah, this is what the tin looks like. I thought the unboxing experience for the Glorious was good. This is totally different. There's a QR code on the back. Let's check that out. And this QR code. Yeah, it looks like it just takes you to their website. So, seen it before. That was pretty cool though. That was different. Let's see. And some documentation. What are these? Oh, this is like this looks like little grips, just like the Ultralight 2. Yeah, I won't be using those. Some extra mouse feet looks like a little diagram for the switches. What else? More mouse feet. These mouse feet feel pretty smooth actually. I wanted to get the other color, the teal looking color, but one, it wasn't Amazon Prime delivery, and two, maybe next time because this red one looks really cool. And I did really like having that red Air Ninja 58 for a while that my boy George let me borrow. So big shout out to George. And these mouse cases, they feel a little cheap, just a little bit. But we're gonna test them out, break them in, and see if they're actually any good or not, or see if I'm immediately gonna feel like I need to replace them. You know what I mean? But these mouse clicks though, for sure. Oh yeah, I'm feeling this. Yeah, these are cool. I'm about to plug this thing in right now. These side buttons are like the perfect size for side buttons too. DPI button is really nice. We'll never like accidentally hit that. 3360 sensor. I think these both use the 3360. The MM710 might be like the 3390 or whatever. Let's see. It doesn't say so on the box of the MM710, but yeah, both these mice look really freaking cool, and I'm super excited to try both of them. Especially this G-Wolf's Hati. This feels kind of right. This feels kind of right. I see why people would like the G Pro if this one has a very similar shape to the G Pro. The cable feels really nice too. Yeah, this is gonna be cool. So, is there anything else in this tin? Oh, would you look at that? Is there? What is this? Oh, this is an extra paracord. That's cool. This one is a little bit more loose, I can tell. This one's a lot more similar to like the Glorious mouse. It's not an exact copy, but it is pretty similar. Are these extra mouse switches? Is that what these are? Interesting. Yeah, these look just like extra mouse switches. Oh my god. How incredibly thoughtful of them. Thanks for stopping by for this quick unboxing video of these two mice. Really excited to try both the G-Wolf's Hati and the MM710 from Cooler Master. Of course, like I said, the MM710 is going to be given away in the month of November. Currently in October, we're going to be giving away a Model O. So if you guys are interested in joining the giveaway, obviously look at the link in the description below and join the giveaway. But otherwise, make sure you guys subscribe and drop a like on this video. Join our Discord, blah, 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 XYZ, MLP. Links in the description if you guys are interested in any of the products that I bought today. And yeah, stay tuned for the full reviews of both mice, guys. It's going to be epic. Thank you guys once again for tuning in. I will catch you guys in the next video.